Create a smooth and compact base with Smoothing HD Primer. Maximizes makeup hold. Even out the complexion and moisturize the skin with BB Secret Cream Lighter. Correct dark circles with Beyond Coverage Concealer Peach. Conceal and brighten with Beyond Coverage Concealer Honey. Apply the concealer with a droppy blender for an even result. Conceal imperfections with Minimize HD Concealer Green. The green color is ideal to hide any type of redness. Micromatic pack with ultra slim tip. Apply hair-like strokes, working in the direction of hair growth with Slimmy Brow Noisette. Blend using the spoolie brush for a natural finish. 11 hours long wear, waterproof.